Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through updating your logo on Wix. As of 2026, Wix has over 250 million users and makes logo management easy. We'll cover replacing, resizing, and optimizing your logo with SEO alt text to enhance your website's branding and visibility. First, log into your Wix account. Open your browser and go to the Wix website to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your site and enter the Wix editor. This is where you'll make changes to your website. Your logo is usually located in the header section at the top of your site. This is a common placement for branding elements. Click on the existing logo element in the header. This will open the logo editor options. A panel will appear on the right side, giving you options to change the image. Here you can upload a new logo or modify the existing one. This process is streamlined and requires no coding. Wix handles everything through their visual editor interface. Within the editor panel, select Change Image to begin replacing your logo. You can then upload a new logo file from your computer. Wix supports JPG, PNG, and SVG formats with a maximum file size of 10 megabytes. Ensure your new logo has a similar aspect ratio to the old one to avoid distortion. Wix automatically crops the image if needed. After uploading your logo, you can resize it directly in the Wix editor. Use the drag handles at the corners to adjust the size interactively, or enter precise pixel dimensions in the width and height fields for exact control. To prevent distortion, always lock the aspect ratio before resizing. This maintains the logo's proportions and avoids pixelation, especially when making the logo smaller. For optimal site performance, Wix recommends keeping your logo file under 500 kilobytes. Larger files slow down page loading, which can affect user experience and search rankings. SEO alt text is crucial for accessibility and search engine optimization. It helps screen readers understand images and improves your site's visibility in search results. To add alt text, access the image settings within the Wix editor. Click on your logo and find the alt text field in the settings panel. Write a concise and descriptive alt text under 125 characters that includes relevant keywords. Keep it clear and helpful. For example, your company name, logo, brief description of your business. This format provides clear information for both users and search engines. Wix's AI can suggest alt text, but manual review is recommended to ensure accuracy and relevance. Wix Studio, refined in 2025, offers AI-powered tools that can help you generate, edit, and optimize your logo. The AI can generate logos from scratch based on your brand description or edit existing designs to improve them. The AI analyzes your logo and suggests optimal sizes for different devices, ensuring it looks great on desktop, mobile, and tablets. For SEO, the AI can recommend descriptive alt text for your logo, helping with accessibility and search engine optimization. As of 2025, 40% of Wix users leverage AI for logo tasks, saving time and improving results. Wix prioritizes mobile responsiveness, ensuring your logo automatically adjusts its size across different devices like desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Since 2024, Wix's accessibility compliance mode requires alt text for all images, including logos, to help meet accessibility standards and improve your site's SEO. This accessibility feature ties into broader standards like Google's Core Web Vitals for better user experience and the EU's Digital Accessibility Act for legal compliance. To summarize the best practices for updating your logo on Wix. First, always use high-resolution logos to ensure sharp, professional display across all devices. Second, maintain proportions when resizing to avoid distortion and keep your logo looking balanced. Third, optimize your alt text with relevant keywords to boost SEO and ensure accessibility. By following these best practices, you can effectively update your logo on Wix to improve your website's branding, user experience, and SEO. Thanks for watching.